Fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning, and you know what? Last night I got to thinking about that 55 Chevy and that 67 Chevelle kit bash and turn that 55 into a Pro Street, and boy, I tell you what, I just couldn't take it anymore. I had to open that box up and give her a shot. Now, I went over to Fred Henry's channel, and he's got several videos of a build-along on the same kit bash. So I went over there and I watched some of those. I watched that first one on how he cut that Chevelle pan up to get it to fit underneath that 55. So daggone it, I got after it. I haven't now. I've got an old. This is a really old kit that I had from a long time ago, and it was tore up. The suspension was cut out of it, and so I just wanted to use this one as a just kind of practice on, I guess, because you know, doing these kind of modifications are not my thing, so I need all the help I can get. But anyway, I did cut out the wheel wells, and there was a section on the back here I cut off, and that's all that I did. And daggone, if that thing didn't slip up underneath there and work out pretty good. Give me a second here and I'll do a mock-up. All right, I'm back. Now, doesn't that just look tough as hell? That's got a nice rake to it. Maybe, for me, maybe just a little bit too much in the front. But like I said, this is just a mock-up. Those wheels and tires come out of the AMT 66 Chevy Nova Pro Street kit. And that's the big block engine out of the Chevelle. Kind of fits in there just right. But I'll tell you what, if you're any kind of a hot rod guy, you can't say that this doesn't look tough as hell. And I'll tell you what, Fred Henry was right. That slipped up underneath there pretty good. Now, I didn't trim anything off those back wheel wells from side to side like he did, but it slipped underneath there just fine. I just trimmed that little section off the back. Can't really see, but a little section off the back I trimmed off. So it's right back there at the back of it. And then cut the wheel wells out. And I tell you what, that just looks so nice. I just can't get over how good that looks. So I tell you what, I think I found my next kit right here, my next project. So I'm really digging this one here. So anyway, this was just an update on the 55 Chevy and 67 Chevelle kit bash, and looks like this is the direction I'm headed, so it ought to be a good one. All right, I'm done.